Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I'm excited to bring this recipe to you today. I'm sharing double chocolate bombshell brownies. I'm probably called that because it's a real hit. They're moist and chewy and made with double the chocolate. Stay tuned and I'll show you how these are made. First, I'd like to do a shout out and a special thank you to my son Darren. He made this lovely serving board for me. And just a quick note to make you aware that my first cookbook is available on Amazon. And to make it easier for you, I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. This book is homemade meals and appetizers made easy. Thank you so much for your purchase. Now let's get right back to making today's video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so we'll put together a few simple ingredients, including double the chocolate, which is chocolate chips and cocoa. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease an 8x8 inch cake pan. And start by adding 1.5 cups of white sugar to a mixing bowl. Go ahead and melt half a cup of butter and add that to the mixing bowl. Next is 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Now then, I use the paddle attachment on my mixer and gently mix it just until it's combined. Now, just to bring out the flavor a little bit more, we add half a teaspoon of salt. And to add some moisture and some substance, add 2 large eggs. Slap in half a cup of cocoa and 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And once again mix it until it's well combined. And you will notice that the texture will be nice and thick, but yet moist. And we'll go ahead and remove our paddle attachment and clean it off with a bit of a spatula. Being sure not to waste any of this yummy batter, right? Alright, let's double up on the chocolate. We'll need half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Fold these into the batter until they're well distributed. There we go, it's looking pretty good here. Now we'll go ahead and spoon it into our prepared cake pan. And like I said, it's an 8x8 inch cake pan. I greased it just with a little bit of butter. Here we're just going ahead and spreading it out in the pan to make sure that they bake evenly. There's nothing like a homemade brownie, and especially ones that are nice and chewy. These are better than those one-bite brownies that you buy in the store, and you don't have any preservatives to worry about either. Let's go ahead and bake this in a 350 degree oven on the middle rack. And you'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out reasonably clean. Don't overbake them, so approximately 30 minutes or a little less. And when they're done, they'll look a little crusty on the top, but they'll be still nice and moist in the middle. And the smell of these baking will go throughout the whole house. And who doesn't love the smell of chocolate? These are so good that you don't need to frost them. So we go ahead and use them as a snacking brownie. And if you really wanted to, you could dust them with some icing sugar. But like I said, they really don't need it. This is a recipe that you'll love to keep in your own collection. It is so easy to make and made with simple ingredients. And you'll be amazed at how delicious they are. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and place them on my new serving board. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and the recipe that's provided. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching today's video. And until next time, happy eating and go make some.